Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the surface pristine, wash the area, then wipe with isopropyl alcohol so the product bonds. Next, find the closest Dr. Colorchip match using the swatch guide and apply test drops to a plastic card to confirm under natural light. Once matched, remove any loose paint by lightly sanding with 600-800 grit. You want a smooth edge, not a deep scratch. Make sure to blow away dust with compressed air before proceeding to the drop application step. Now mix the Dr. Colorchip compound thoroughly. Proper mixing ensures consistent color and cure. Apply 1 to 2 thin drops into the chip, then let each layer cure as specified. Build layers slowly rather than trying to fill in one go. Once the fill is slightly proud, use the supplied spreader tool to level the repair while edges are still workable, taking care not to smudge adjacent factory paint. If you need to add another layer, wait full cure time so layers bond correctly and color stabilizes. Finish by leveling and blending. If the repaired spot is higher than surrounding paint, wet sand gently with 1500-2000 grit and then polish with the provided compound to restore shine. Clean any residue and inspect in natural light. Apply a clear coat or sealant when indicated to protect the repair. If you see a color mismatch, don't panic. Repeat the color match step and apply thinner, controlled layers until the tone aligns. If problems continue, consult Dr. Colorchip support for advanced troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.